Good day, sir. My name is Bernard Ruan Omakwa. Section is 3C. This video presentation is all about different types of ship survey and its importance. There are various types of ship survey, each serving a specific purpose in ensuring the safety, compliance, and overall operational efficiency of a vessel. Some key types include initial survey, conducted before a new ship enters service. Ensure the vessel meets all construction and equipment standards. Periodic survey, regular check at specified intervals during a ship's life. Verify that the ship remains in compliance with regulation. Special survey, in-depth inspection of the ship structure, machinery, and equipment. Usually occurs every 5 years and may involve dry docking. Intermediate survey, conducted between special survey, focuses on a specific area to ensure continuous compliance. Condition survey, assess the overall condition of the ship, useful for potential buyers or insurers to evaluate risk. Damage survey, carried out after an accident or damage to assist the extent and necessary repair. Importance of the ship survey. Safety assurance survey ensure that the ship meets standard, reducing the risk of accident. Compliance with regulation, help vessel adhere to international and local maritime regulation. Asset protection, regular survey can identify and address issue early, preventing extensive damage. Insurance requirements, insurer often require survey to assess risk and determine coverage. Operational efficiency, survey contribute maintaining a ship performance and reliability. Environmental protection, ensure vessel comply with environmental standard, minimizing pollution risk. In summary, ship survey play a crucial role in maintaining the integrity, safety, and compliance of the vessel throughout their operational life.